Hey everybody, welcome back to HPTV channel. Today we're exploring Breathe How You Want to Feel by Matteo Pistono. This book is your toolkit for transforming the way that you breathe to improve your health, get better sleep, and deepen your connections with others. And it is all about using a simple, powerful tool that is your breath to create lasting changes in both your body and your mind. Matteo Pistono combines ancient wisdom with modern science, offering practical breathing exercises that can shift your state of being in just a few minutes. So, if you are ready to breathe with intention and learn how it can positively impact your health and your happiness, then stay tuned. In Breathe How You Want to Feel, Matteo provides a comprehensive guide to breathwork, a practice that's been scientifically shown to improve our overall well-being. And this book isn't just about how to breathe, it's about learning to use your breath as a tool for transformation, of transforming how you feel, of helping move you through stress, finding deeper relaxation, and even enhancing your relationships. Today, in this video, we'll cover the principles that Matteo shares. We will dive into one of his breathing techniques, and we will learn how you too can use your breath to lead a more balanced and fulfilling life. So let's dive right into it. We are going to start with the first principle, and that is understanding breath work, and that it's the key to self-transformation. And so we really are starting with the basics. What is breath work and why does it matter? According to Matteo, breath work is a powerful practice that connects our body and mind, giving us access to the parasympathetic nervous system. And that is the part of our nervous system that is responsible for rest and relaxation and healing. And most of us are in the fight or flight, in the survival part of our nervous system, the sympathetic nervous system. And when you are in that state, you cannot rest, you cannot relax, you cannot heal, and you cannot grow. So if we want to do all of those things, we need to move into the parasympathetic nervous system. And this can be done very easily by using your breath. Because when you control your breathing, you can influence your emotional state, but you can also reduce your physical stress and you can promote healing. And Matteo emphasizes that breath is one of the few tools that we have that can instantly change your mental and physical state without any special equipment. So that means you can do it anytime, anywhere, any place. The key takeaway here is that breathwork isn't just about relaxation. It's a way to take charge of your emotions, your health, and your mental well-being through conscious breathing. The second concept I want to talk to you about today is the health benefits of breathwork. How can breathing impact your mind and your body? And this is one of the central themes in Breathe How You Want to Feel. Breathing properly can impact nearly every aspect of your health, and most of us are not aware of this. So, Matteo discusses how controlled breathing can lower your blood pressure, can improve your digestion, can support a better sleep, and can even boost your immune system. He explains that most of us don't breathe in a way that supports our well-being. Most of us breathe here. It's shallow and it's fast, and it can lead to increased stress, poor oxygenation, and a heightened anxiety. On the other hand, slow, deep belly breathing can calm your mind. It can ease your tension and it can help support a restful sleep. So the key takeaway here is that by mastering your breath, you can experience significant physical but also mental health benefits. And it's an accessible, free, and extremely effective way to support your overall wellness. So why not use it? The third concept is Pistono's breathing techniques. Practical exercises for different goals is what he calls it. And Matteo doesn't just talk about the benefits of breath work. He provides a range of practical breathing exercises that are designed to achieve specific results. So let's look at a couple of these techniques. The first one is the 4-7-8 breathing for relaxation technique. And this technique involves breathing in for the count of 4 seconds, then holding your breath in for the count of 7 seconds, and then slowly just relaxing while you exhale for 8 seconds. And this is perfect for calming the mind and for preparing for sleep. Another one is called box breathing, and it's great for focus. It's used by athletes and also by Navy SEALs, and it involves inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, breathing out for 4 seconds, and then on the out, holding that again for 4 seconds as well. So in 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, before you breathe in again. Box breathing. And this technique helps you to improve your focus, and it also helps to reduce anxiety by grounding the mind. And then the last I want to talk to you about today is called alternate nostril breathing, and this helps with balance. And Matteo explains that this technique, which is rooted in ancient yoga, is ideal for balancing the body's energy and calming the nervous system. And by alternating nostrils during each inhale and exhale, we can harmonize our left and our right brain hemisphere. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So usually you use one hand and you put your thumb on one nostril and your index finger on the other. And you just sort of keep it like this. And then you close off this one and you inhale through that one. You close off that one and you breathe out through the other one. Then you inhale through that one, close it off again, breathe out through the other one. Inhale through this one, exhale through the other one. And you keep alternating between these two so that you can harmonize your left and your right brain sphere. And the key takeaway here is that these different breathing exercises can help us achieve different results. And Matteo's techniques make breath work accessible. They make it easy to incorporate in daily routines. And nothing that I shared with you, the 3 techniques that I shared with you, is difficult, right? And you can use them for relaxation, for focus, or for balancing your energy. The 4th principle is the role of breath work in emotional healing and connection. One of the more profound parts of Breathe How You Want to Feel is Matteo's emphasis on using breath work for emotional healing and connection. He explains that when we're stressed out or when we are upset, our breathing becomes shallow and fast. We start breathing up here. And this is also where all of the emotions happen, right? So a lump in your throat, tears, neck and shoulders being very tense. And this change can trap us in the fight or flight response. So when you go from your belly breathing through the shallow chest breathing, you are in serious danger of going into survival mode, the fight or flight response. And this makes it so much harder to connect with other people, but especially to connect with yourself and your needs. So by consciously changing your breathing patterns, you can shift your emotional state. You can enable your process in dealing with difficult feelings more calmly, and you can also reconnect with a sense of inner peace. Matteo encourages us to use breathing techniques in challenging moments, as it helps open up. It helps open up space for clarity, for empathy, and for a sense of connection. So the key takeaway here is that your breath can be a bridge to emotional healing, allowing you to move through stress and connect with your deeper self, and also connect with others with empathy and with understanding. The fifth principle is practical tips for incorporating breathwork into your daily life. And that's the last part of his book, where Matteo provides tips for making breathwork a regular part of your life. Because only then will you remember to do any of these techniques when you actually need them, right? Because if you practice them right now when you're loving them, but you stop doing them, then chances are very high that you won't remember when you actually need them. So he suggests setting aside a few minutes in the morning or right before you go to bed to practice a simple breathing technique. Consistency, he says, is the key to reaping the benefits. He also encourages us to use breath work during moments of stress or anxiety when we need grounding. So whether it's just a few minutes or 4-7-8 breathing before you go to bed or box breathing before an important meeting, these practices are tools that you can use anytime, anywhere. And the more you practice them, the more natural these techniques become, and eventually they will transform your emotional and your physical health. So the key takeaway here is to make breathwork a part of your daily routine so you won't forget them, so that they can lead you to lasting improvements in your health, your focus, and your resilience. Start small, stay consistent, and feel the difference over time. So there you have it. Breathe How You Want to Feel by Matteo Pistono is a book that is more than just a guide to breathing. It's really a tool that helps us to transform how we feel, how we think, and how we connect with others. It's full with practical techniques and also deep insights. And Matteo really shows us that our breath can be a powerful ally in our journey towards health, peace, and fulfillment. Have you tried any of these breathing techniques? Were you already familiar with these breathing techniques? Or was there one that really spoke to you? Maybe share what impact breathwork has had on your life. Let me know in the comments below this video. And also don't forget to like, to subscribe to the channel, and to hit the notification bell for more insights on books that can guide you towards a healthier and happier life. For today, I wish you an amazing rest of your day, and I look forward to sharing another beautiful book with you next week.